Howdy there, it's me Nanny, and I don't feel like showing my face today. I am terribly frustrated. I planned a very cute video for Halloween where I would make one of those easy costumes for dogs, and it was adorable. Sushi would hold a jack-o'-lantern with a witch hat. Everything was cute and prepared until I had the amazing idea of trying one of those no sewing hacks that you see in some channels around YouTube, and you know, to give people a chance to make something cool without having to worry about sewing and anything. Boy, was I wrong! Not only it took longer than normal sewing, but it also burned my hands pretty bad several times.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
I know I'm not an example of glue gun mastery, and I do realize my projects are too crazy and that they can give you the idea that sewing is some sort of witchcraft from hell. But please, my peeps, get over your fear of the sewing machine. They do not bite, and they simplify your lives 100%. You don't have to be a freak like me and buy 10 machines at once, but you can buy a simple one. And with that, you open a whole new world of possibilities for your wardrobe and your house. You can save some money and get the perfect look for every occasion. And no more, I have nothing to wear today. So stop lying to yourselves that those ready-to-wear fast fashion uniform suppliers have the perfect fit for everyone, because they don't. And if you are a little curvier like I am, you know what it is to have clothes that make your ass look like a poopy diaper. Glue guns should not be used to fix or make clothes. Glue guns are evil contraptions that waste energy, create plastic waste, and burn innocent little fingers. Let's change that together. I'm almost reaching 400 subs on my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I would literally not have done this without you. Yes, you. I love you. Sorry about that. Once I reach 500, I will give away a brother sewing machine to one of my subscribers. I didn't figure out how this will work and what are the rules of the game, but if you have a friend who's terrified of sewing and that you know that could benefit from this, let them know. Spread the word. Let's sew together. Let's take care of the planet and reduce as much waste as we can. I am not naive nor stupid to ignore the fact that the fashion industry has awful carbon footprint and that most of the processes for making textiles involve terrible, evil chemicals and a huge environmental impact. But I'm trying my best to reduce my own footprint as much as I can. Yes, I will still make crazy projects, but I will try to nullify the impacts by recycling more, making my own natural dyes and transforming my textiles at home, purchasing from local suppliers, using non-toxic chemicals and paints, upcycling clothes, and even making more paper dresses, with a better alternative to the glue gun, of course. I have around 50 videos on sew shenanigans up to today, so we'll join Mr. Beast and the Team Trees to donate 50 trees to the cause, to compensate for all impact that I caused. Yes, Mr. Beast is planting 20 million trees to help the environment. No, it's not a solution for everything, but it's a start. So let's join him. Each dollar means one tree that will be planted somewhere on your behalf. And since you came here for a no sewing dog costume, I present to you Sushi dressed as a Hershey's Kisses. Enjoy! Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next week, most certainly with a decent video this time. Bye!